different types of references. First, dictionary is a book that contains definition of words that are known by others so that many can have new knowledge. Thesaurus, if the dictionary is definition, it is the same meaning and opposite. Encyclopedia, what can be seen here are all the branches of wisdom. Atlas, it's about place, how big you are, and its population. Almanac contains information about religion for each year. Periodical contains important information and news every day.